Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the MacBook and plugging in the USB-C charger. This prevents interruptions during updates. Sign into your Apple IDSO settings, iCloud and Purchases Sync. Enable two-factor authentication for security. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi and run Quick Start or Migration Assistant to transfer data. Make sure source devices are backed up with Time Machine or an external drive. This gets core accounts, apps, and files moving, and readies the laptop for the next setup phase. Now focus on system polish. Open system settings and adjust trackpad gestures, keyboard repeat, dock placement, and control center items so your workflow is efficient. Then run software update to apply the latest Mac OS and firmware patches. This prevents compatibility headaches. Install essential apps from the App Store or developer sites, and when prompted, grant camera, microphone, and file access permissions for those apps. Once done, configure iCloud Drive and Desktop, and document sync so files flow across devices reliably. Finish by enabling Time Machine backups to an external drive and turn on File Vault to encrypt your disk for privacy. Create a recovery key or verify. Find, My Mac is active to recover a lost device. Test battery and peripheral connections. Calibrate display and trackpad sensitivity if needed. If something goes wrong, restart in recovery mode to run first aid, reinstall Mac OS, or reset the SMC/PRAM. These steps resolve startup or hardware recognition problems quickly and keep your system stable going forward.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.